Okay, let's talk about the UGREEN Dock and Stand for the Mac Mini. Here it is right here. Here's my Mac Mini, and I have my coffee cup here just for sizing. Okay, so I've unplugged it so we can take a walk around it. First, you'll see that there is a good slope right here on the top, and the Mac Mini just sits really snugly right here, and that creates a lot of good airflow to the vents of the Mac Mini. On the front, you'll find some USB ports and other card slots right there, SD and TF, USB ports, 50 gigabytes, and these USB-Cs. And then this is how it goes into the Mac Mini here. Here is a shot of the back when they are put together. This is the connector. It just goes directly into that lightning port there. And here, like I said, is where the power button is for the Mac Mini. One thing I love about this is the color and the finish are pretty much exact to the Mac Mini. So it's a perfect aesthetic match. When they are stacked together, it's just about 3 inches and 7.5 centimeters tall. And it's extremely quiet. I don't know if you can hear that, but it makes no noise. It's really been a great way to add accessibility and functionality to the Mac Mini. It gives me an easy way to hook up my time machine backup, and then all the accessibility of the ports in the front make it so I don't have to turn it around or reach behind. So I really highly recommend it. And I think that you'll find it a functional and attractive addition to your Mac Mini setup.